Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund under the accounts Franklin India Focused Equity Fund and Franklin India High Growth Companies Fund has bought 10 lakhs and 13 lakh 17,758 shares of a stock which fell 18% yesterday. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company is a small finance bank and the name of it is Ujjivan Financial Services Limited. The price for this stock is 181 and the face value for it is 10. The stock fell almost close to 18% yesterday, and while this was happening, Franklin Templeton was buying the huge chunk of shares at Rs 174.55 and Rs 179.02 respectively. The symbol for it is UJJIVAN. Now, Ujjivan Financial Services Limited, formerly Ujjivan Financial Services Private Limited, is a non-banking finance company engaged in the microfinance lending business. The company's products and services include microfinance, micro and small medium enterprise finance, agriculture and animal husbandry finance, and also housing finance. Now, the one-year chart shows that the company did nothing for the majority of the year, was consolidating, but there has been a brutal fall over the last few days. The other factor to note here is, today there were also huge volumes in the stock. The market cap of the company is 2,190.46 crores, which indicates that the company is a borderline stock between a mid cap and a small cap. The company is available at a price to book ratio of 1.25 and currently is going through a very bad time as far as profits are concerned. The dividend yield is 0.28%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.